Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you all are good and you are staying at home. Today I am going to teach you things around us of class first. In this lesson we will see man-made and natural things. You know my dear student that there are various types of things around us. Some are made by God and some are made by human. We have to write G for things made by God and M for things made by man. First thing is flower. This is a flower. It is created by God. Second thing is cycle. This is a cycle. It is made by man. Third thing is apple. It is an apple. It is created by God. Fourth thing is TV. It is made by man. Fifth thing is cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. It is created by God. Sixth thing is aeroplane. Sixth thing is aeroplane. It is made by man. Seventh thing is parrot. This is a parrot. It is created by God. Eighth thing is house. Eighth thing is house. It is made by man. Ninth thing is monkey. Ninth thing is monkey. It is created by God. Tenth thing is burger. Tenth thing is burger. It is created by man. Last thing is tree. It is created by God. So we understood that cycle, house, TV, burger, aeroplane are made by man. And things like parrot, flower, cauliflower, monkey, apple, tree is created by God. You are also aware of this, my dear students, that air is always around us. We can't see it, but we can feel it. Thank you. Fi amanillah.